What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Artlii, and we're taking a look at the really awesome Enjoy3 projector. This is launching soon, and it is a really awesome bang for the buck. You see, it comes in at around $179, and yet it can project 7,000 lumens, which makes it very bright. It's also native 1080p with full HD, meaning that you can project it onto an absolutely massive screen, retain quality, and have pretty solid contrast, even if you're viewing in pretty much a lighted room. As you guys can see within the video, I'm going to be showing you guys a dark room and a light room, and of course the projector overall and what it has to offer. It also has 75% to 100% zoom. You also get a bunch of really interesting functionality that I haven't seen in a lot of other projectors. For example, they really focused in on the streaming life with Miracast performance, which supports both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, meaning you have very low latency, which is really awesome. You also have Bluetooth built in, and of course Dolby support, which is awesome as well. You can actually connect this wirelessly to Windows 10 and Mac OS, which is insane. And last but not least, my favorite thing, you are able to go and cast Android and iOS directly from your phone using the simple cast menu within maybe YouTube or I don't know, a movie or something of those sorts, which is really awesome. Now, my favorite thing about this is that it does have a pretty solid build quality and design. It looks really cool. It has this beautiful silver knob to twist, and then you can actually focus in on things. It has a little thing at the bottom to raise the projector just a little bit. And my other favorite thing is that on the back, it has all the different ports you could possibly dream of. It has a lot of really cool things. For example, if I go and take a look at some of the ports on the back, we have an HDMI, 2 USB, and of course, we also have a headphone jack. So of course, if you guys want to listen to your projector on your own without, having a full home theater, you can actually go and do that. But it also has an AV input as well, should you actually want a home theater. It also has buttons at the top and a little scrolling thing for the volume. However, if you guys want to, control it using the remote, that's probably a lot easier, which is really cool. So it's able to stream virtually anything from your iOS device to your Mac. Obviously, you could stream from HDMI like most people probably will, and of course it has pretty solid quality, works great in a nice dark room. However, it works pretty solid in a relatively lighted up room as well. So it pretty much checks off all the boxes you could possibly need, and best of all, it comes in at around $200, which is just absolutely insane. If not less, it's actually more like $179, which is crazy for something that has a contrast ratio of 8,000 to 1. So of course, guys, go ahead and check it out in the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.